These mechanical toy transformation videos are pulling in millions of views on TikTok, with 3 videos hitting over 30 million views. And the good part, with the workflow I'm about to teach you, you can start creating videos like this yourself. Here's what you can create using our methods. To get started, go to our website, AI Centuries, open the GPT library in the sidebar, search for Mechanical Toy Creator, and click Start Chat to begin the workflow. The GPT will give you 10 different options to choose from. For this example, I'm going with birds, and more specifically, a US eagle. In return, the GPT will generate 6 different examples related to your choice. And as you see, each example includes 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. What you do now is copy the first image prompt. This is the before image. Then head over to Higgsfield. Here, go to Image, select Nano Banana Pro, and paste in the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Put the resolution at 2K, toggle on Unlimited, and start generating your first set of images. Here's what Nano Banana generated for us. Now just pick your favorite result and download it. Next, go back to the chat and copy the second image prompt. This is the after image. Then return to Higgsfield, paste in the prompt, and tag your favorite image from the first prompt as the reference. Keep the same settings and hit generate again. This will give you results like these. Either way, now let's turn these images into a captivating video. Go to Video and select Kling 3. Upload your favorite before image as the first frame and your best after image as the second frame. Then go back to the chat one more time. Copy the video prompt, return to Higgsfield, and paste it in. Set the video duration to 10 seconds, the aspect ratio to 9:16, and the resolution to 1080p. Now click Generate, and you'll get a video like this. Now let's also try it with Seedance 2 and see how this model handles the transformation. Upload your first and second frame again. Once they're ready to use, select them, paste in the video prompt, and add this line to the prompt. Use at image 1 as the beginning frame and at image 2 as the ending frame. Now set the duration to 10 seconds, the aspect ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 1080p, and press Generate. And here's how the Seedance 2 version turned out. Which video model do you think did a better job? Let me know in the comments. Using the exact same pipeline from this video, you can also create transformation videos for vehicles like sports cars, fighter jets, or even custom objects. Basically, just play around with it and get creative with your own creations. That's it. All the links you need are in the description below. Lastly, make sure to join our newly opened school community to stay up to date with the hottest new AI trends. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.